Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to create sketch notes with Gemini AI. You can paste any text you want or go to YouTube. I like this. I choose any topic you want on YouTube, like this video. I copy the link and paste it to Gemini AI and write and summarize me this video. We have some, and Gemini will give me summarize from this video. All this is summarized from Gemini. Now we passed this prompt. I will give it you in. You find this prompt in my comment in this video. Paste this prompt and choose create image with Nano Banana. That's it. This will take soon for create sketch notes. Wait some time. Come on. It takes some time. This is the sketch note from your video. It's easy, simple, and for free. If you like this video and you want more, please subscribe in this channel and like the video. See you the next one.